Alright, I'm under the house, and what we're looking at, old galvanized plumbing. All the original old galvanized is in serious age. So we're seeing PVC. Actually, this is ABS tying in where they've canceled. That's a joint with a coupler, and that's also a leaking coupler where they've run ABS to the original cast iron. So that is ancient and all going to have to be, that will all have to be changed. And as you can see, the shape of it, there's been some evidence of leaking, all of the staining here in the subfloor, and that is right here what I'm seeing. And this is in, we do have new copper that's been put in underneath. We have a mix again of new ABS under the tub, from copper to ABS to the original cast iron, dropping down and through. So, and then this, I don't know why they just